purple, darkies, 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 darkies. Hold tight skills, J-Star, oh man, button, let's do this. Naughty Productions. You know I love you, but you're too ruthless and cold, Lexi. Daddy's coming back for you.
You're my beautiful baby girl. When she brought you into this world, didn't think mommy would be so ruthless and cold. You're my beautiful baby girl. When she brought you into this world, didn't think mommy would be so ruthless and cold.
You're my beautiful baby girl. When she brought you into this world, I was thinking, yeah, she's my princess. Gotta get her them diamonds and pearls. Dad wanted to have your back, but mum was just so cold. Didn't have no choice but to take that road, but I had to leave you all alone. Dad was so broke, not even a home. It was winter time, I was left on the road in the snow, in the cold with nowhere to go. Daddy's a failure, baby girl, not your hero. I tried to provide for you, but mum just cut me loose.
You're my beautiful baby girl. When she brought you into this world, didn't think mommy would be so ruthless and cold. You're my beautiful baby girl. When she brought you into this world, didn't think mommy would be so ruthless and cold.
I lost the plot so bad, I didn't know what to do. So come on baby girl, Dad's always here for you. Don't wanna see you go, baby girl, you're my world. Don't ever wanna see you cry or take your pain straight to hell. A state of depression is all I felt when mum took you and said, naughty, I don't need your help. Or she can go and fuck herself, it's only you I care about. And she won't hear me out, all the times we argue and shout, baby, she's just putting me down.
You're my beautiful baby girl. When she brought you into this world, didn't think mommy would be so ruthless and cold. You're my beautiful baby girl. When she brought you into this world, didn't think mommy would be so ruthless and cold.
I'm sorry baby girl, I can't help it. Every time I've stuck it on me, I fucking melted. I'm feeling more than helpless now, I'm looking where the wealth is. Give you everything you need and show you that I'm not selfish. Mom used to take my peas and buy things that she seeks. Lingerie every week for every time she creeps. While I'm in pinch, she's so fucking deep. Now I'm having nightmares every time that I sleep. So baby girl, come and cut the lot to daddy. I'm needing you, baby girl, I'm needing you so badly. Once upon a time we was a family, but mum decided one day that she weren't even happy and she just cut me off. Was she playing that man? I hope she fucking rocks. I miss every morning putting on your socks, looking at the clock, tick and talk, wishing time wouldn't stop. Baby girl, you're all I dream of. The pictures, baby girl, have you seen us?
You're my beautiful baby girl. When she brought you into this world, didn't think mommy would be so ruthless and cold.